Hey guys, this is a weird start to the video, but we're in Foxy's channel. There's a new video that came out 6 hours ago. We're gonna check it out real quick. Made it into the game. Let me just pick the police hype. We gotta get our way to that gas station. Let's go. So we do have the free car. And as you see, they plotted down right over there on the map. I know where to get there because I mostly get there. I'm always there every day. Where am I going? So let's take out one of this. Actually, let me take out my brand new whip I have here. Yeah, and also I got brand new whips. I got the Porsche Turbo. Check it out. I'm not sure if you guys seen this whip yet, but we're gonna bring out the Porsches just to get the Porsche. It's nighttime. Love this car. We're just gonna make it. Looks like everybody's going over there. It's great for the first people out here. They could get a free car. Love this car. I'm not sure if I showed you the whip yet, but we're gonna get a free car. Yes, sir. Gas station. We have made it to the houses where I always buy my houses. Here we are. And there it should be parked. Before I claim it, I gotta see the results. I have a lot of these on Porsches. Look at this. It's mad cool. And then we have a brand new whip that came. I got a brand new Porsche. Another one of these Porsches. It's the race one. It's really cool. Yo, this is a nice car. I think it's a Porsche 9, whatever it is, Porsche 9 something. Then we have these two cars. I'm going to show you. First, we're going to claim our Porsche. We got the Porsche Turbo X. How fast is it? Class 2. Alright. Yo, look at the back of this. The lights. The inside. Wow. Black and white. And then, how many Porsches do we have anyways? Oops. I forgot, they're not spelled like that. I keep thinking they're spelled like that. They're with the P. So we have a lot of these. Yo, look at this car, bro. It's amazing. Yellow brakes. I feel like changing that to some black brakes or whatever they could do. Amazing car. We have a white house with a white Jeep. Wow, that's crazy. Like this car, man. Look how fast it goes. You saw that stuff? Well, you gotta see that. Yes, sir. We made it to the carnival. Oh, nice stop. That's crazy. And then we have the two brand new cars. Gotta show you. And I'll buy one right in front of you guys too. We have the this car. Don't know what car this is, but I like the wheels to it. Front makes them, it looks like a BM, whatever they call those BMWs. We got a Jaguar model. I'm not sure if this is Jaguar. I like the front of it. Buy one more car for you guys. So we stopped up at yeah, we're gonna get those events cars. Speaking about event cars, so I'm gonna buy this one. Actually, we're gonna bring our way right to the racer streets. We haven't enough coins, enough trophies to get this car right here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm definitely gonna be losing that. I got it anyways. Wow. So we got a beautiful brand new car right next. How we do it? Oh, my bad. And then we just claimed a new one. Is it? Yep, class 2. Let me show you this car. Oh, is that like? Oh no! Alright, I see it already. The speed is good enough. Where's that car we just got? Class 2 should be here somewhere. I got it claimed right now. I think I just passed it. Let's actually go here. Garage. Got another one of these cool cars. I like the back of it. Wow. Well, that's a lot of cars we just claimed today. So, I think I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!
Hey guys, it's your boy Joshua. This is the end of the video. If you want, subscribe, watch more videos. We catch you later.